What is AWS? In today era, everyone is talking about AWS. So AWS is nothing but as a cloud services the other cloud services, the Azure and GCP. But if you compare to the market, based on my understanding and research, AWS have the more market capture, more than 70 to 80% as compared to the GCP or the Azure cloud. So in this lecture, I will understand what exactly AWS, and if there is no AWS, then what will be happen? Okay, so basically, what is AWS? So AWS is the Amazon Web Services complete name, and the parent company called it the Amazon. So this is a leading cloud computing platform. Okay, so what cloud computing platform? They basically provide you each and everything on the cloud. Okay, so provide a by Amazon Web Services that allow individual startup, enterprise to run application, store data, manage infrastructure over the internet, basically instead of using the physical server. So before 10 years, when there is no cloud, basically if you try to start any type of the startup or any type of the company, or if you want to run the company, you need to buy a server, you need to buy storage application devices and different networking equipment as well. You need to be also hire the different network expert and security expert guys. You need to maintain the data center, basically handle the hardware failure and scaling manually. So basically, when any company started, they required very large amount of the amount to start the any IT infrastructure. So now if you coming to the Azure or the AWS or GCP, any cloud, so this each and everything are available on online. Okay, so whatever you needed, you can take the services and you can paid for that services only. For example, if you want to store the 100 MB of the data, you can take the storage area of the cloud and you can pay for data storage only. No need to be pay for other type of the activity. So if you require any type of the services to launch the some application, if you want to publish some website, if you want to basically process some data, so whatever the services you required, you want to generate the report, you can pay it for the that services. So that is the you pay only for what you use. And if you not using, you can anytime discontinue the services. So why the AWS very powerful? Okay, so if you attend the any interview also, they will definitely raise you the question. They definitely ask you the cross question, why AWS is powerful, why any cloud is powerful. The reason is there is no infrastructure management. Okay, so infrastructure is nothing but whatever I have discussed: storage, data center, networking. This is all called the infrastructure. So if you're using the AWS, there is no infrastructure management required. No need to manage any physical services. AWS handle all the hardware, networking, and all the basically power and cooling activity, whatever you required. And what if you like whatever the services you needed, you can go with the method called pay as you go pricing. So you can just remember this terminology, pay as you go pricing. What is the meaning? Like whatever you require the services, whatever you use the services, you can basically pay only for that services only, and there is no long-term commitment required. If you required within the 6 months, you can take for the 6 month, 1 year, or 2 year. Anytime you can quit from the services. And this is the global availability. Data center across multiple country, high availability and low latency. And the security is very good. Everyone is talking about security of the data, so they will provide very high security. Uh, all the bank, all the healthcare, all the government system, they are into the cloud only, and more than 90% of the company are already have moved into the cloud, and remaining are basically migrating from the on-premises to the cloud. So on-premises is called the legacy application, uh, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, MS SQL. Like this type of the application we call terminology as a legacy or the on-premise. So let's consider the real-time example as well. So basically, imagine suppose without if you are have like start any type of the startup, you need to be by the server, or if you are working any of the organization, they require each and everything set up. So without AWS, all these things required. So with the help of the basically AWS, you don't need to be create any set up any of the account. So basically, you can create the account, you can launch whatever the website app you required, and scale all the user grow. Okay, so basically you can integrate with the different services you require. So that's all about the basically what is AWS, and in the entire video of the lecture or the course, in this course you will learn complete about the AWS. I will also guide you how you can create the AWS account free of cost, and basically without spending the money, how you can leverage the all the services, and basically you can do the practices and crack the next level of the job. So thank you so much for the complete this video watching, and keep learning, keep growing.